Hello friends, in this tutorial we will be explaining the common error faced by the taxpayer while filing the TDS return. Most common TDS error and their solution. TDS in India is a tax collection method. In simple terms, it is the rate prescribed which is mandatory to be deducted and paid by the persons responsible for making the payment. A person responsible for deducting and paying the TDS has to make the below mandatory compliance. TDS payment has to be made for each month by 7th of following month. File TDS return providing all TDS deducted in respective quarter by 31st of every month following the quarter. Now we will discuss the error 1, which is of TAN number not updated, and error code is 2027. Tax deduction and collection account number, that is TAN number, is a 10-digit alphanumeric number issued to a person who are required to deduct and collect the tax on payment made by them under the Indian Tax Act 1961. Thus, in case TAN is not correctly mentioned or updated in the system, then payment made by the assessee would not be reflected in company's tax return and same would not be validated by tax department. Solution to this error: one must update the TAN properly in the department portal and in all the return. In case one does not have the TAN number, then company first get the TAN number, get it updated on the portal, then file the return. Now error number 2, which is of wrong challan detail. Error code is 3021. Error: in TDS return, TDS payment challan contain all the major details like date of payment, amount of payment of tax, section under which the tax is deposited, the bank code through which the payment is made. These fields are important while filing the TDS return, and if these details are not properly entered, then return would show mismatch of data and would not form a valid return. Solution: one must enter all the challan detail properly. If the return is rejected due to the wrong or mismatched detail, then one must revise the respective return with correct details and file it again. Then error code number 3, which is of wrong PAN number entered in the file, and its code is 2030. PAN is a unique 10-character alphanumeric identifier issued to all the judicial entities which serve an important proof of identification for the taxpayer. In case PAN of the assessee is wrongly mentioned, then the amount of tax paid would not be shown under his or her name, which will be ultimately amount of non-payment of tax by the assessee. Solution to this error: one must enter proper PAN. If PAN is incorrectly entered in the return, then assessee has to revise the return by providing the correct and accurate PAN detail. In case assessee does not have the PAN, then he or she must apply for the same. Now error code number 4, which is of wrong section, and its code number is 3043. TDS is paid under section wise. 194C for TDS under contractor, 194I TDS is for rent, 194A TDS on interest. Thus, if TDS section is changed, then the amount of TDS paid won't reflect properly and would show mismatch in the statement. Solution: one must enter all challan details properly. If return is rejected due to wrong or mismatched detail, then one must revise the respective return with correct details and file it again. Now error number 5. Date of deposit must be same as bank challan number. Error code is 4212. Error: in TDS return, date of deposit of TDS must be the same as the challan date given by the bank. If challan details are not properly mentioned or entered, it will show a mismatch of data. Solution to this error: one must enter all the details properly. If the return is rejected due to wrong or mismatched detail, then one must revise the respective return with correct detail and file it again. Thank you. Hope this tutorial is useful to all of you.